Hello everyone, and welcome to another video from AI Geek. Now in my previous videos I've shown how generative AI can be used to create talking avatars and clone voices using web-based tools. But today we're going deeper into the back end of AI. So that instead of using AI through your usual web browser, we'll automate it using APIs. Now why would you want to do this? Well, two big reasons. Firstly, AI is more than just a smart chatbot like ChatGPT. It can be used to automate real-world business processes. And secondly, using APIs make workflows more efficient and repeatable, so you can focus on creating content instead of the tedious task of, say, video editing. 2025 is going to be the year for agentic AI or AI agents. Now, these are autonomous systems that take action on their own. OpenAI's operator is in preview already, but today I'm going to demonstrate exactly how this works by building an AI-powered travel assistant. In today's demo, we are going to be using a tool called N8N, which is a workflow tool that drives the AI tools using APIs. And we're going to use it to build this thing called aigeek Travel AI Agent. Now, this is a picture representation of what that entire workflow looks like in N8N. And it essentially starts off with a webhook. The entire workflow kicks off when that webhook receives a post from an API tool. And what is that API tool? Well, we're going to be using the conversational AI agent from 11 Labs. And here we are building an intelligent chatbot that is essentially a helpful travel assistant, and its job is to create a travel plan based on details that it extracts from the user during a conversation. And how does it do that? Well, it uses Gemini's LLM and natural language processing to get important details like the user's departure date and destination, etc. Once 11 Labs conversational AI is satisfied that it's got all the information it needs from the caller, it then makes a call by making a post into N8N, and this is what fires off that workflow. Now, first of all, we need to ensure that all the information that we receive from the caller has been transformed into a format that the AI tools then understand. Things like airport codes need to be found for the source and destination locations. And here we're going to be using ChatGPT's 4.0 model because it understands things like airport codes. We also need to sort of transform dates to make sure that they're in the sort of year, month, day format. The next bit of the workflow is where the magic happens, and this is essentially the power of the AI agent. What the workflow is going to do is going to make a series of calls, or API calls, to a bunch of tools. Some of them are AI based and others are just normal sort of web information. And the AI based one is the activities one. We're going to be using Tavli's research AI to suggest activities at the destination that the caller can do as part of his travel plan. Now, the other two, the hotels and the flights, these are essentially tools that are using structured data to query an external web API, in this case Google, on hotel information and flight information. And once the APIs have returned all the information on activities, the best deals on hotels and flights, it goes into the email agent, which uses Claude from Anthropic to organize all the information into an email template, which then uses Gmail's API to send the itinerary or the travel plan to the user. So now let's see this AI agent in action.
Hey there, I'm AI Geek. How can I help you today?
I'd like to make a travel plan, please, to go to Barcelona.
Okay, I can help with that. To create your travel plan to Barcelona, I need a little more information. Could you please tell me, where are you traveling from? What date would you like to leave? What date would you like to return? How many people will be traveling? Do you have any activities in mind that you'd like to do while you're there? Finally, what's your email address so I can send you the travel plan?
Okay, I'm gonna be leaving from Paris, and I'd like to go there on the 7th of March, returning on the 9th of March. I'll be going with my wife, and
Okay, great. Just to confirm, that's leaving from Paris on March the 7th, returning on March 9th, and there will be two of you traveling. Do you have any activities in mind for Barcelona? And could you please provide your email address?
yeah, whilst we're there, I think we'd like to catch a flamenco show, and my email address is admin@ongs.co.uk.
Okay, great. So that's leaving from Paris on March 7th, returning on March 9th, two travelers, a flamenco show in Barcelona, and your email address is admin@ongs.co.uk. Is that all correct?
That's correct. And within seconds, you see that I've received an email from the AI agent asking me to get ready for my Barcelona getaway. And as you expect from a travel plan, it's got all the information on the best deals on flights, the suggested hotels. And if you remember, I asked if I can take in a flamenco show whilst I was in Barcelona. So there are a couple of suggestions on that. Anyway, that's it for today, where I've showed you how you can use a workflow tool to automate AI tools using APIs. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, it's goodbye.